Hello my beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. So for the month of October, it is In the Palm of Your Hands, Greatest Hits Volume 2. I also have my 400 subscriber giveaway going on and a couple others. I will put links for all of those in the description box down below. How's your day going? Mine's going pretty good. I just got back from a bridal shower for my soon-to-be sister-in-law. Let me know how yours is going in the comments down below. So today we are unboxing the FabFitFun Fall Editor's Box Mystery Box. So FabFitFun is a seasonal subscription, comes out every quarter. It's $49 and there's beauty, makeup, skincare, lifestyle, jewelry, candles, scarves, purses, what have you. And it's a really fun, kind of a cool, different thing. So it's $49 every quarter. Now, in between those seasonal boxes, they have what they call their editor sale, where the editors put together a couple different items from past boxes of some of their favorites and put those out. So I did pick up one of those and I'll be doing an unboxing for that shortly. And then you can also, what they have is like an add-on sale where products are discounted 75–80% off. And in that add-on sale, you can pick up a mystery item. Well, they'll put in usually about 4 items, totaling most of the time over $75. So today's the mystery box, so let's find out what we got. I do have a code for $10 off your first box. I will put a link for that in the description box down below as well. Oh, love this. So this is the GoSleep Easy as 1, 2, 3. It's basically a pillow and a eye mask for when you're traveling. So it says fasten your head belts, place memory foam pillow behind your head, place the mask on the stretch cord behind the adjustable headrest. Adjust toggles to your comfort, arrive rested and ready to go. Go sleep. So I am actually going on a trip in November to go look at a couple colleges with my son, and so perfect. So retail on this is, it's normally $59. It is on sale right now for this bundle for $39. Here is the ESYM Soothing Face Mist in the scent Lavender. This retails for $24. And it basically says awaken the senses and hydrate the skin with 100% natural handcrafted aroma. The benefits are soothing, subtle for combination skin. Ooh, by Crown Brush is a 35 color metal eyeshadow palette. Look at this. So be adventurous with your makeup. Play the metallic hues, shimmery shades, enhance your eyes with a dash of sparkle. A great collection of neutrals, pinks, yellows, and greens. Perfect for makeup artists working in wedding photography, TV, or film, or for those who want to diversify their makeup collection. This does retail for $35, so $1 a shadow, can't beat that. There's a lot of gold in here, don't tell me something shattered. I think an eyeshadow shattered because there's kind of like, you can kind of see the gold going on everywhere. And it's just gold powder. Oh no. Yeah. Darn it. And I was gonna do this as a giveaway. I am bummed. So here's what this looks like. And you could definitely tell this one, this gold here, has shadowed. Bummer, I was gonna give this one away. I think it's really pretty. I think I could still definitely get some use. There's a lot of shimmers. But yeah, there's no way to even pack that one down. It's like split right in half. Yeah. So there's what that one looks like. I'm bummed. That one really bummed me out. I wonder if I could email FabFitFun and let them know. What do you guys think? Let me know in the comments down below. This last product I have actually by my bedside. Let me go grab the one that I have. So this is the Ahava Dead Sea Water Mineral Hand Cream. And here's mine. Love this. I keep this next to my bedside. It's an absorbent cream that quickly nourishes dry skin, made with nutrient-rich Dead Sea water, helps maintain healthy, hydrated hands. Retails for $24. And there's what it kind of looks like, just on the hand. And it really, I always put this on right before bed, and it really helps keep my hands really nice and moisturized. So because I already have this one, why don't we do a flash giveaway? So we are going to give away the Ahava Water Special Edition Dead Sea one, the one I have not opened, and also the ESYM Soothing Face Mist in Lavender. So my giveaways are pretty easy. All you need to do is you must be a subscriber to my channel, like this video, and then I will put a link in the description box down below. I have found that it's easier when I have a form that you guys just fill out. It's all confidential. I'm the only one who has it, and that way I have your name and address, so that way YouTube is not great about letting people know that they've won a giveaway. And so this way, you know, I can just ship it on out to you. And if you want to put your email in there on that form, and I'll just let you know, hey, you know, I got your, you're the winner, and I'm mailing out your prize to you. So this giveaway will go for 3 weeks. So 3 weeks from today will go through November 4th. On November 5th, I will go ahead and pick, use a random generator, pick the person, and let them know that they've won. So if you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It does really mean a lot to me when you like, subscribe, hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.